My favorite quote, that it has to be, there is no easy walk to freedom, and many of us will have to travel to the valley of the shadow of death again and again before we reach to the mountaintop of our desire. I think low quotation leo ingtatile and move me in a way yokuthi there's nothing that comes easy.
My favorite Nelson Mandela quote is, "No one is born hating another because of the color of his skin, his background, or his religion. People must learn to hate, and if they can learn to hate, they can be taught to love. For love comes naturally to the human heart, then its opposite."
My most memorable moments with Nelson Mandela, which was very significant, is the time he went out of prison. But not basically that. His inauguration, which took place on the 10th of May 1994, and it changed a lot of people's perception in the country, and everyone was happy to see that we are now having the first black president ever in South Africa.
His death was not just a symbol of him being gone, but it was also showing that people are already they've accustomed to each other, and in some aspects that is light, and in so many ways. That is why I remember his death as it being significant.
If I had to meet Nelson Mandela today, I would ask him for 3 things actually. First, I'd ask him to make me super famous. I'm being for real. I'd ask him to make me super famous so I can also make some sort of change, I think. I don't know, somehow, But on a more serious note, seriously, I'd ask him to do something about Eskom because it's really not on. It's not on. This load shedding thing, that's my only problem in the country right now. Other stuff, I'm fine with it. But this load shedding thing, it's not working for me. I'm sorry. I can't. People can't mistreat radio, sorry. I think that's it, yeah.
It is in your hands to make of our world a better one for all.